The LYNN Hardware DC9016 door closer is built with a rugged cast iron body and heavy steel arm that easily stand up to punishing commercial traffic all day long. Its hydraulic system offers separate controls for closing, latching, backcheck, spring strength, and delayed closing, so you can dial in exactly how the door behaves in your space. Installers will appreciate that it can be mounted in multiple configurations on either left or right hinged doors, with all hardware and a clear template included in the box. This closer is engineered to handle wide, heavy doors while still delivering a smooth, controlled swing that feels solid rather than abrupt or jarring. It carries respected fire, accessibility, and performance certifications, giving building owners confidence that it meets modern safety and usability standards for long-term use. Backed by a United States-based supplier that focuses on commercial hardware, the DC9016 is a dependable choice for contractors and property managers who need a closer they can install and forget.